speaking to Mario, and my title is a digital manager at Elegant Foil. Today we'll be talking about the Xerox Iridesse machine. It's actually helped us a lot at Elegant Foil, this machine, especially when it comes to the packaging industry. We are able to print on different substrates, very accurate. The register is spot on, and the colors are vibrant, especially on SBS boards. As to the Iridesse, the color is so vibrant. Really, I don't know what other machine can compare with it. And accuracy of the registration of your type, it's perfect. We've got a CMYK plus a two-spot colors, silver and white, which has made a hell of a difference, especially when it comes to people wanting gold. We can make CMYK with a silver and printing gold for them, or a white, which you can use as an underlay on clear self-adhesive to make it stick out more prominent on bottles when it's wrapped around the bottles. Yes, when it comes to that, it's actually quite a friendly machine. When it comes to operational, it's a very easy functional machine. But Xerox does offer you a training course on it as a technical operator. You do have hot folders that you can quickly prep jobs that's already pre-planned. But otherwise, it's simple. For the kind of work we do a lot of cartons, we do a lot of flyers, annual reports. You just have to build up your own template, and then you're ready to go. With the use of prepping the files and getting jobs made ready in superb times. It's doubled our production, basically. It's quite a user-friendly machine. It gets run by a fiery rip. Obviously, you got to impose your jobs and set them up as you'd like. Change papers, you got to correctly mark your papers for the grammages. Because some grammages say 400 grams, but they're actually not, they mark more. So, but after that, it's easy enough. You calibrate your machine in the morning, you check your quality, and you're ready to go. Some of the key features are the special colors, obviously, the silver and the white, and also the variable data program that we have, which is very helpful when it comes to databases. People want to send letters, but they don't want to obviously prep 1,000 files. So that's where it comes in quite handy, a variable data program on the Fiery. And otherwise, the machine is so user-friendly. It's easy. If you know the printing industry, and if you know your color, and if you know what to look out for, then the machine does its work.